Say hello to your new superpower, packed with top-of-the-line features and the power to completely kick grass. Say hello to the all-new Toro Super Recycler Mower. One look at this bold cast aluminum deck design, and serious neighbor envy is virtually guaranteed. But it's not just a pretty face. The Super Recycler delivers the durability and amazing cutting performance that Toro is known for. The secret weapon that makes this beast the GOAT? The advanced mulching system. Under its 21-inch deck, a specially designed blade with accelerators and kickers keep grass clippings suspended, so they're chopped multiple times into extremely fine pieces. And that means fast delivery of your nutrients right back to your lawn, aka less water and fertilizer needed to keep your turf in top condition. This handsome bad boy is tough, too. Commercial-grade components, greasable pivot arms, and semi-pneumatic tires means it gets the job done right. Dependably, for years and years and years. When it comes to brute strength, Super Recyclers come in your choice of engines that are guaranteed to start and power through thick grass like there's no tomorrow. Add in Toro's 5-year warranty, ultimate comfort with the shock-absorbing flex handle, Toro's personal pace system that automatically adjusts to your walking speed, plus options like the quick change, space-saving smart stow, the time-saving blade stop system, and of course, electric start. It all adds up to pro-grade results and more time to sit back and gaze proudly upon your perfectly manicured lawn. Ultra powerful, super sleek, and ready to mow like a pro. Toro's Super Recycler mowers elevate you to superhero status. Cape not included. Toro. Count on it.